If you're struggling with plugins refusing to load in OBS Studio, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a clear step-by-step guide to fixing plugin issues so you can get back to streaming or recording without those annoying errors holding you back. By the end, you'll know exactly what to check, what to update, and how to troubleshoot even if things don't go right the first time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to check for updates. This is the most common culprit behind plugin problems. Make sure both your OBS Studio and the specific plugin you're using are running the latest versions. Developers regularly patch bugs and improve compatibility, so keeping everything up to date helps prevent a lot of unexpected errors. Just head to the OBS website for program updates and visit the plugin developer's download page for the most recent plugin release. Even if you think you're already up to date, it's always worth double-checking. Sometimes, a plugin update rolls out a few weeks after an OBS update. Next, let's tackle file integrity. OBS Studio has a handy built-in tool for this. Go to Help, then select Check File Integrity. What this does is scan your OBS installation for missing or corrupted files and automatically repairs them. It's like hitting a reset button for the vital parts of your software configuration. Think of it like your car's warning lights. A quick diagnostic can reveal small issues before they become big ones. If OBS finds anything amiss, it'll let you know and correct it for you, helping to restore normal plugin functions. Now, before you move on to more complicated fixes, try simply restarting OBS. It's amazing how often a fresh start can clear out lingering glitches or temporary memory issues. If that doesn't do the trick, go a step further, uninstall and then reinstall OBS Studio entirely. Sometimes old files can get tangled up, and a complete refresh ensures you're starting with a clean slate. Let's talk specifically about plugins. If you suspect your plugin itself is causing the problem, head to its official download page and grab the newest version available. Some plugins require manual updates, not just automatic ones. If updating doesn't solve the issue, it can help to remove old plugin files completely before reinstalling. To do this, go into your OBS installation folder, look for the plugin files, and manually delete them. This helps clear out outdated, conflicting, or corrupted files that might not get removed during a standard update. Afterward, install the fresh version and your plugin should load up cleanly. If you've tried all the general steps and you're still seeing error messages or failed loads, consider deleting the problematic plugin altogether. Go into your OBS plugins directory, specifically the 64-bit folder, and remove the files related to the plugin in question. This won't fix the plugin itself, but it will silence that error message every time you start OBS. Maybe you don't need that plugin right now, or you can wait until the developer releases a fix. It's a quick way to make OBS usable again in the meantime. Finally, if none of these steps solve your issue, it's time to reach out for help. Contact the plugin's developer directly. They often have forums, email support, or Discord servers where you can describe your exact situation. You can also try posting in the official OBS Studio support forums. The community there is really active and knows a lot about solving stubborn plugin problems. Don't hesitate to share error logs or screenshots to get more targeted advice. That's it. You've just learned a full arsenal of troubleshooting techniques for fixing plugins that fail to load in OBS Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have questions, drop them in the comments below. I check those regularly and try to help as much as I can. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Good luck and happy streaming.